Hey everyone, it's Jessica. Today, we'll be demystifying neural network training by discussing various techniques and tips for success. Don't forget to subscribe for more web dev, and AI content. Let's dive into the world of neural network training. Training a neural network involves adjusting its weights and biases to minimize the error between its predictions and the actual target values. This process is iterative, using a dataset to fine-tune the network until it performs well on unseen data. We'll explore the key components of the training process and their roles in creating successful AI models. Loss functions quantify the difference between the network's predictions and the actual target values, while optimization algorithms update the weights to minimize this loss. We've touched on these topics in previous videos, but we'll go deeper into the most common loss functions and optimization algorithms, such as mean-squared error, cross-entropy, and gradient descent. Hyperparameters are the settings that govern the training process, such as learning rate, batch size, and the number of training epochs. Selecting the right hyperparameters can have a significant impact on your neural network's performance. We'll discuss how to tune hyperparameters and find the best combination for your specific problem. To ensure successful neural network training, consider these tips. Preprocess your data, use proper weight initialization, monitor training progress, and avoid overfitting using regularization techniques. We'll delve into each of these tips and explain how they contribute to better neural network performance. We've just explored the key aspects of neural network training, techniques, and tips for success. Understanding these concepts will help you train more effective and efficient AI models. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment about your experience with neural network training or any challenges you've encountered. Don't forget to subscribe for more web dev, and AI content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.